Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is DIY craft videos signing in. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty looks of and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. So viewers, I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel guys, and if you want different other craft videos, so viewers, these are super amazing and very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are very pretty ideas and very pretty collection for you guys. I'm glad to see you all guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel and keep watching my videos. These are super stunning and very beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. Take care guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz guys.